Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve question number 7 from exercise 7.2, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I've completed the distance and section formula, examples 1 to 10, exercise 7.1 and questions 1 to 6 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Question number 7 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry says find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and point B is given by coordinates 1, 4. So let us first draw a circle here. We have to find out the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter. So we have a circle here whose diameter is given by AB, whose center is 2, -3. Let us assume the center point as C, whose coordinates here they have given as 2, -3, and the coordinates of point B is also given, that is 1, 4. So we have to find out the coordinates of point A. So here let us assume to be x, y. So since AB is the diameter of a circle, then what is AC? AC will be the radius, right? And also CB will also be the radius. Since C is the center point of this diameter AB, then AC will be equal to CB because both will form the radius. If you consider AB as a line segment, then this point C divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1 because this point C is the midpoint of this diameter AB, right? So here we can apply the section formula since we know the midpoint C and one of the coordinate of the line segment AB, and also we know the ratio. So we have to find out the coordinates of another point of this line segment AB. So here we can apply the section formula. But since here the ratios are 1:1, the section formula which is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by 2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by 2. So whenever the ratio is 1:1, then m1 will be equal to 1 and m2 will also be equal to 1. So this formula reduces to become the midpoint formula. So this midpoint formula will be given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So always remember, whenever a point is dividing a line segment AB in equal ratio, that is 1:1, then we will use the midpoint formula in such cases. So using this midpoint formula, we will find out the coordinates of point A. So let us first write down, let AB be a diameter of the circle having its center at C, whose coordinates are given by 2, -3, and let point A, whose coordinates we have to find out, that is x, y, and point B be 1, 4, whose coordinates are given. Point C is the midpoint of AB. So therefore midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here we can find out the coordinates of the midpoint C by applying this midpoint formula to the line AB or the diameter AB. So therefore point C is given by, let us apply the formula. Let us assume point A to be x1 y1 and point 2 to be x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 value is x plus 1 by 2, then y1 plus y2 by 2 is y1 value is y, so y plus 4 divided by 2. But the coordinates of the point C are given here, that is nothing but 2, -3. So write down, but coordinates of point C are 2, -3. Now let us write down here, that is the coordinates of point C are given, that is 2, -3 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and y plus 4 divided by 2. So now let us equate the x coordinate part to the x coordinate and y coordinate part with y coordinate. So equating x coordinate part, here it is 2 equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. So cross multiplying, 2 into 2 will be 4 equal to x plus 1, or sending this 1 to the left hand side, we get 4 minus 1 is equal to x, or x value is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. Now similarly, let us equate the y coordinate parts. So the y coordinate here, it is given by minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 divided by 2. So cross multiplying, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. Sending this 4 to left hand side, we get minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y, or y is equal to minus 10. So the coordinates of point A are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10. That is what we had to find out, that is the x and y value, right? So therefore you can write down the coordinates of point A are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 10. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 8 from exercise 7.2, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and NCERT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7, coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.